folks, my name is Krista and I'm here to share Cloudees. Cloudees is a Mattel touring line and it's a little obsession I've gotten, and I wanted to just show them because I don't know, I love them and I like the look, and yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing. So I have these ones here I just opened, but I just wanted to show you what I got, and then I'm gonna open a new one. So this is a series 3 for Cloudees, and series 3 is more on the neon side of things. But Cloudees are little creatures that have cute little puffy tails, and they dress up and have little shoes, and the rare ones shimmer and have resin. The whole body's clear. I think they're all cute, and you don't have to necessarily just want them all, but just the ones that you want. And I'm here to share a little bit of which ones are which a little bit too. So this one is Cloudees 3, series 3, and this is the Yeti, and this was number 20, just so you know. When you open them and do what they ask to do, you get this really cool fluff for the kids to play at the table. I wouldn't necessarily want this stuff to be getting on my carpet, but I like it just personally because it feels really neat, and I don't know, it's very nice. I don't know what to say about that, but I like it. But we can open one right now. So this one is number 19. So this is brand new, and I got this at Amazon. I really like the packaging Mattel does. Ooh. And I love the artistry, the illustration. So I got another blue little keychain or key ring there. So what did I get? I hope it's not a duplicate. I didn't know, that's number 19, so it wouldn't be. But this is the little cap that you put on here when you want to keep your fluff nice. But it got a little bow and blue tail and a little ice cream. But what you do, it says here to add water at the line. Put the lid back on, puncture the plastic, and it says to do it for 60 seconds. But I do not. I do it 30 seconds or so, and then I let it sit for a little bit. But this just gets the fluff activated inside. The fluff is in a packet, and the water. Oh! But it sounds like it's ready already. That wasn't 60 seconds. I'm too impatient. It is also a pink fluff. Oh no! I got a duplicate. I didn't think I had a duplicate. But that's alright. They're all cute. The little bunny. I got the little bunny. Isn't she cute? Yeah, but I like the series 3. I really like that Mattel doesn't wrap it in plastic. In series 1 Cloudees, they had these in plastic, and I like that they are not in plastic because they're easy to wash under the sink and dry it, and yeah, less plastic in the world is good. But thank you guys, that was it. I got another bunny, and I got a Yeti, and I have 4 more to open. But I don't know if I'll do a video like this, maybe. But thank you, and I hope you have a good night. Bye-bye.
Hold up. Wouldn't you want to put the tail on?
But she's dirty.
Oh, I see. You want to wash her first.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we are.